Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and many of you guys know that we will be moving into the FroFactory very soon, but because of that, the shipping department that's at my dad's house is also going to be moving to the FroFactory, and because of that, I don't want to have to schlep all of the t-shirts that are at my dad's house down here to the FroFactory, and that means I am doing a moving blowout sale for random I Shoot Raw shirts. They're going to be $9.87 plus shipping for the next 2 weeks. So if you go over to the link down below or store.froknowsphoto.com, you'll see this random sale over there. And what's going to happen is when you purchase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, doesn't matter how many shirts you purchase, you're going to get a random one selected in the mail or more, depending on how many you get. And we will select from any of the I Shoot Raw shirts that we currently have in stock, whether it's the one I'm wearing right now, the Space Edition, the Back to the Future Edition, the purple with green printing, the blue, the orange, whatever we have in stock, we're going to pull from stock and send to you based off of the size and how many you order. Now, you can leave a comment in the comment section when you check out for Heidi and say, Heidi, I'd like to get the Space Edition. Please send me that. And she will do her best. I can't guarantee that we will have your shirt that you've requested in your size or in stock, but we will do our best. But because the shirts are normally $14.99 and we're selling them for $9.87, it's going to be randomly selected. Now, we can ship anywhere in the world except if you're in the Eastern Europe. Any of the Eastern European countries, including the UK, we can no longer ship to due to a trademark issue over there. I'll explain more about that later, but at the end of this video, I'll run all of the countries that we can't ship to, and also on the site, it lists what countries we can no longer ship to. We're sorry about that. There's nothing we can do, but if you're anywhere else in the world other than the Eastern Europe, and the UK and a couple of other countries, we can ship to you. So $9.87, order as many as you can for the next 2 weeks. We will randomly select a shirt for you in your size and get it out to you so that you can save big on the I Shoot Raw shirts. And I don't have to move them from my dad's house all the way down into the city to the new FroFactory. So we'll leave it at that. Thank you guys very much for your support. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.